Hello everyone, my name is Harman Singh and today we'll be learning how do we use Discord to join our Discord server. The link to our Discord server will be provided to you in the description box, or you can check our website to get more information on this. So first of all, we open Discord. So as you can see, it asks me for my email or phone number and my password. So if you are a registered user, you can just enter your information and you will be logged in. If you are not a registered user, just click register. It will ask you for some information and continue. You will be a registered user now. Now you come back to this page, enter your information, and you will be logged in. Now, if you have two-factor authentication on, you need to get your 6-digit authentication code, which in my case is 402904, and you will be logged in. Now, when you are logged in, you need to join our Discord server. To join our Discord server, go ahead and open our website, scroll down, and here you will find our Discord server. Click on that, and you will be redirected to the Discord app and you will be in our server. You will be a registered member of our server. Now you need to understand the principles about how Discord works. We have Java queries. Here we ask our doubts. Here we give solutions. Here we give updates. And for any urgent updates, you will be informed in the updates channel. For any other like doubts and queries and solutions, you can feel free to ask in this channel, Java queries. And then we have a chat section. Here you can do anything you want in a controlled way. We have our rules over here, you can read them, and if you go uncontrolled or do something that's not expected from you, strict actions will be taken. And now you can, to attend our classes, you can click on this. You will be, yeah. So you are in a VC now. I take classes in this VC and you can join this on Friday and Saturday at 9 every week, and I will take classes over here.